Hello, it's Jimmy here again at O'Reilly's. I have here a small cheap tool for you. We'll have a look at it, test it out. I know some people do look for some of these types of budget tools, so we'll open it up, test it out on a couple of cars and see how you like it and if it's capable of what you want to do. So this is the CR300 OBD2 scanner, and as usual here's the information on the back of the box. It suits vehicles 1996 and newer, so OBD2 and CAN, just some of the other protocols there. It's all listed on the back there. 1.7 inch screen, and here is the tool itself. So you can see quite small, just a little small handheld tool. Still got the sticker on it, so we'll get it plugged into a car now and just see what it's capable of doing. Okay, so we've got a 2013 Nissan NV200 here. We're going to plug it into this and test it out. So we'll look for a OBD scan, so we're just going to press down on there. We'll press OK. So one fault code is found. Let's press OK. Crankshaft position sensor range performance P0336. So it has the option to read the codes, and it also has the option to erase them. You have freeze frame data. I'm not sure what that'll show us for this. So the map was at 33.6 RPM. The speed was at 1 miles per hour once it was triggered off. RPM 2189. So this gives you a little bit more information on how the code was triggered. We have vehicle info. Let's press OK. It's not supported on this vehicle, so it depends on obviously what car you plug it into. Data stream. You've got your fuel, speed. Let's go back up a bit. Clicked a bit too fast there. Manifold pressure sensor, which is reading 100, which is absolutely where it should be. You can see we're doing 0 miles an hour. Let's see if we can find anything on here regarding the crankshaft sensor. You can see we've got 15 different lines of PIDs that we can go through. May not find the one that we're looking for there. Maybe it's not supported on this exact car. I know these vehicles are quite difficult for any scan tool to read, these Nissans, just because they are sort of paired up with Renault. It's got a Renault engine in it. So you've got EVAP system, O2 sensor, read the codes. So we'll exit that. Let's see what else we have. We have, oh, I didn't mean to press OK there. I'm going to go back. Exit the OBD, and we want to go to battery. 12.4 volts, it just gives you the voltage, that's all. DTC lookup, let's have a look at that. So if we go to let's go back. So we're going to do a P code. Sorry, I need to get used to using it. So down is to change the numbers, up is to scroll across. P, let's do a P0234. No, let's go back there. 0, 2, 3, 4. Turbocharger overboost condition. Now, do you know what that vehicle that's most common on? It's your Land Rover code for the throttle bodies. So if you're not sure what the code was, it just gives you a little bit of information for each code. Setup. Let's go to setup. See what we have here. Language and unit of measure. So English or metric, basically. So if you want Fahrenheit or Celsius or miles or kilometers, I suppose. That's basically it. It's just your basic tool for reading fault codes. So if you've got a fault code on your car, you're away. It's nice and small to fit in your glove box. You want to see what the fault code is, just to give you a rough idea of what you're looking at. Are you looking at something serious or not? And it just gives you a handful of that information to show you what the fault is. If you know how to use your live data, you can do that. It has that option to do it. It also has the option obviously to read, clear and read the freeze frame like I've just showed. So with this being an OBD2 tool, it will do an OBD scan on any car, like I said, from 1996. Most cars, I think every car from 1996 by legal requirement, that has to be able to be plugged in by OBD2. So it will work on most cars, and there's not really much else to say really. It reads your codes, it clears them, it reads your data stream, is what it is. It's just a cheap little tool that most people can afford to have in their glove box. So I'll put the link where you can buy this in the video description, and I'll see you on the next video.